Coq au vin, full recipe. This French dish, a culinary masterpiece, consists of chicken braised in red wine accompanied by mushrooms, bacon, and onions. A dish that emanates with the flavors of tradition steeped in history and beloved by many. Its roots are found in the rustic kitchens of France, where time-honored recipes have been passed down from generation to generation. Unique touch, shaping it into the classic dish we relish today. This dish is not just a meal, it's a story unfolding on your plate, a journey traversing through the rich, varied landscape of French cuisine. The chicken, the primary ingredient, is meticulously selected, ensuring it's fresh, plump, and of the highest quality. It is then marinated to perfection, increasing its succulence, enhancing its flavor, and preparing it for the long, slow braising process. Next, we move on to the red wine, a crucial component of coq au vin. The choice of wine is essential as it is the element that brings this dish to life. Chosen with precision, the wine is typically a full-bodied red Burgundy, imparting a robust, deep flavor that forms the backbone of the dish. It suffuses the chicken, seeping into its fibers, transforming it from a simple poultry dish into an exquisite culinary delight. The mushrooms, bacon, and onions, the supporting actors in this gastronomic drama, each play their vital roles. The mushrooms, with their earthy umami flavor, provide a stark contrast to the sweet caramelized onions. The bacon, on the other hand, adds a smoky, salty crunch that balances the overall taste. Each ingredient is sautéed separately to maintain their individual flavors before being combined in the pot. Then begins the slow cooking process, a labor of love, where the ingredients are allowed to simmer gently, their flavors melding and morphing into a beautifully blended symphony. The chicken absorbs the wine's essence, the bacon infuses its smoky note, the mushrooms lend their earthiness, and the onions their sweetness. This harmonious interplay of flavors and textures is what makes coq au vin a truly unique dish. As the dish cooks, the kitchen fills with an intoxicating aroma, an olfactory preview of the feast to come. The sauce, now a rich, velvety concoction, is generously ladled over the chicken, coating every inch, every crevice. The result is a dish that's not just visually appealing, but is a sensory experience. When it's finally time to serve, the chicken is tender to the touch, literally falling off the bone. The sauce is thick, rich, and warmly inviting, a tangible testament to the time and care invested in its creation. Each bite is an explosion of flavor, a tangible testament to the artistry and passion that goes into producing this quintessential French dish. The slow cooking process, a testament to the patient and meticulous nature of French cooking, yields a flavorful, tender chicken. The sauce, an amalgamation of the ingredients, carries a depth of flavor that is robust yet delicately balanced. The rich, wine-infused sauce that envelops the chicken is the grand finale, the final touch that elevates this dish from mere sustenance to a gourmet experience. Coq au vin, full recipe. This French dish consists of chicken braised in red wine with mushrooms, bacon, and onions. The slow cooking process yields a flavorful, tender chicken with a rich wine-infused sauce.